How to add a badge to LinkedIn. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn in your device, then go to your profile. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Enhance a Profile. Click on Enhance a Profile, then scroll all the way down till you find Recommended. Click on Recommended, and click on Add License. Add your name, then add your organization name, write issue date and expiration date, when your badge will expire and when your badge was issued. After that, scroll all the way down, add credential ID. If you don't have, you can just write anything. Add your skill. You can add any skill you want according to your badge. After you add skills, you can add media. You can add any media or simply badge example or pictures. Then click on save and your badge will be shown in your profile. That's how you add a badge to LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.